Welcome to KetoMealsAndRecipes.com. Today's video is demonstrating how to make this keto ginger garlic butter baby bok choy, which takes less than 10 minutes to make this healthy and tasty Chinese vegetable side dish. At the end of this video, I will show you how to pair this recipe with several main dishes in order to help you with your meal planning. The macronutrient ratio for this keto ginger garlic baby bok choy recipe is 3.1 to 1, with 5 grams of total carbs, 1.3 grams of dietary fiber, and resulting in 3.7 grams of net carbs per serving. This recipe is so quick and easy to make that I'm sure it will become a favorite go-to vegetable side dish. Here are the ingredients you'll need: baby bok choy, which you can use whole or cut into half, thinly sliced garlic, julienne cut ginger, and of course my keto teriyaki sauce. Lastly, if you want, you can add a bit of extra vegetable or chicken stock. This will create extra sauce which you can pour over your bok choy. And I always try to use up all my sauce because of the benefit of all the nutrients that remain in the sauces. Begin by heating your skillet on medium-low heat. Then add and melt the butter. Add the julienne cut ginger. Then add the garlic and saute for 3 to 4 minutes. Stir occasionally, but do not brown the garlic. You just want to soften it. Add my keto teriyaki sauce. Add the baby bok choy or the regular bok choy. You can customize how much bok choy you make in any one time for the number of people you're preparing the meal for. After adding all of these ingredients, stir lightly and cover with a lid. Cook with the lid on for 5 minutes. Then remove the lid and flip each baby bok choy and cook for another 2 minutes, or until you can insert a fork in the thicker white part of the baby bok choy. Then scoop everything out of the pan and put it on a serving plate. Lastly, pour the cooking liquid and sprinkle the garlic on top of the finished garlic baby bok choy, which will go exceptionally well with the teriyaki chicken and teriyaki beef. As well, it will go extremely well with the Chinese 5-minute fried rice. Enjoy. Thank you for watching and see you next time. Please subscribe, turn on the bell, and let your friends know about this channel so that more people can learn about keto meals and recipes.